of everything.
Alright, so here we are at one of the biggest malls in Jaipur. It's called Triton Mall. So there's a whole bunch of stories here. We're going to check out, see if we can find some stuff to buy, because we got some time to kill. Alright, so we got some shopping done after being in the shopping mall, and here we are back in the tuk-tuk. And look at all our goodies.
$2,000 or $3,000 sauce.
Yeah, I got lots of sauce and stuff we're going to be bringing home as gifts and souvenirs. So.
Everyone was looking at us, oh my god, why they buy so many sauce?
Yeah, it's quite hilarious actually. But yeah, we're back on the tuk-tuk and we're going to be on a train to Agra. So we'll be leaving here in about 2 hours. But Jaipur has been amazing. Woo, buddy. Alright, here we are on the train going towards Agra, Taj Mahal tomorrow, and we got our food. The train is moving. So we got 2 days in Agra, so we're going to see the Taj Mahal tomorrow, and then after that we'll be on our way. So, yeah, on our way to Agra. So this is my stall here for the next 5-6 hours. At least I got a bed. It's kind of nice. And I got a bit of a window. Well, we have arrived, guys, in Agra after a 7-hour train ride. Yeah, our train was delayed about an hour and 10 minutes, and then we took a tuk-tuk to the hotel here. And this one here is about $20 Canadian each a night, so it's a little bit more on the pricier side just because you're by Taj Mahal. I'm literally about a 10 to 15 minute walk to the Taj Mahal. So we're gonna get up really nice and early. It's about, what, midnight right now. But I'm gonna be getting up around 5:30 and heading over there because Taj Mahal opens just around 6, and that's the best time to be there to get pictures and stuff. So that's the plan, is to see the Taj Mahal in the morning and then come back, have a rest, and then we're gonna head out for the day and go see the Agra forts and then Baby Taj. There's another Baby Taj Mahal as well across from Taj Mahal. So yeah, that's the plan, guys. We're here in Agra. We have 2 nights here, And yeah, it's already got a different feel already. So let's do this. Taj Mahal in the morning. Super excited. This is something I've been waiting for a very long time. Me and Perth have been waiting for a very long time. Is to see the Taj Mahal. This is the bucket list item. Cannot wait. I hope there's not that many people so I can get some nice pictures and some nice video footage of it. So yeah. And just so you guys know, it's 1,000 rupees to get in, which is roughly 20 Canadian dollars each to get in. But you know, it's the most beautiful building in the world apparently, so you gotta pay for it. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Let's get some sleep, let's get some shut-eye, and get rested to watch the Taj Mahal in the morning. It's crazy saying that. I can't even believe I'm saying that. Alright, let's do this. Good night.